Assalamu alaikum, I am from Pakistan. I have extra hair that is in between my eyebrows, and my husband does not find me attractive because of this extra hair that is in between the eyebrows. Can I trim this extra hair that is in between my eyebrows? Firstly, I would like to mention the ruling regarding plucking of the eyebrows, trimming of the eyebrows and shaving of the eyebrows. Our beloved Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, he said that Allah's curses upon the woman who plucks her eyebrows and who attaches hair artificially, and the woman who tattoos herself or gets herself tattooed. So plucking of the eyebrows or shaping of the eyebrows or trimming of the eyebrows, this should not be done. It is against the teachings of our beloved Prophet Muhammad, may peace and blessings be upon him. Our beloved Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, prohibited plucking of the eyebrows. But certain people, they have hair in between their eyebrows, certain men, certain women. So what is the ruling regarding this? This hair that is present in between the eyebrows, there is no problem in trimming or removing this hair, because this is not considered as a part of the eyebrows. This is extra hair that is in between the eyebrows. There is no problem in trimming or removing this hair, and this is the opinion of the scholars. So if you have this extra hair that is in between your eyebrows, there is no problem in removing this hair or trimming this hair. I hope that answers your question.